Stop scrolling, because this might change which phone you buy next. The new iPhone 17 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This isn't just a phone battle, it's power versus precision. One gives you insanely smooth performance, cinematic video, and a battery that just won't quit, while the other delivers crazy zoom, powerful AI, and lightning-fast charging. So the real question is, do you want perfect optimization or maximum flexibility? Watch till the end, because your next phone depends on this. Company background: Apple Inc. iPhones versus Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Company name: Apple Inc. Headquarters: Cupertino, California, United States. Founder/key leader: founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. Currently led by CEO Tim Cook. Apple is globally known for its high-quality hardware, tight software integration, and long-term support ecosystem. Apple phone models run iOS, known for smooth performance and optimized app ecosystem. Samsung Electronics Galaxy. Company name: Samsung Electronics. Headquarters: Suwon, South Korea. Parent company: Samsung Group. Mobile division led by a president such as T.M. Rowe. Samsung is a global leader in Android phones, displays, and memory technologies. Galaxy S series phones run Android with Samsung One UI, known for customizability and feature richness. The Times of India. 1. Chipset and performance. Apple iPhone 17 series. Chipset: A19 Pro, Apple's most powerful mobile SoC. Manufacturing process: latest 3nm architecture. CPU/GPU: 6-core CPU, 6-core GPU with neural accelerators, 16-core neural engine for AI and graphics. Internal performance: extremely strong single-core performance, great for smooth daily usages, gaming, and optimized apps. Excellent thermal design and sustained performance through Apple's vapor chamber cooling. Apple. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Chipset: in many regions, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 high-end Android chip. In some regions, Exynos variant, less common but still high-end. CPU/GPU: octa-core CPU with Adreno 840 GPU on Snapdragon model. Performance notes: slight edge in multi-core benchmarks compared to iPhone, more cores. Excellent for AI processing and multitasking on Android. Excellent performance in heavy tasks, gaming, and multitasking. Phone arena. Summary: iPhone 17 Pro Max focuses on smooth, optimized performance with excellent sustained speed, especially in single tasks and graphics. Galaxy S26 Ultra puts strength on AI tasks, multitasking, and Android flexibility. 2. Camera systems. iPhone 17 Pro Max cameras. Main rear cameras: 48 megapixel wide plus 48 megapixel ultra wide plus 48 megapixel telephoto. Up to 8 times optical zoom with quality telephoto. Front camera: 18 megapixels with Apple's center stage tracking. Camera highlights: excellent video recording with Dolby Vision HDR, ProRes, multi-camera recordings, natural color tones, and smooth stabilization. Apple. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra cameras. Main rear cameras: 200 megapixel primary sensor plus 50 megapixel ultra-wide plus 50 megapixel telephoto plus 10 megapixel telephoto, dual lens for zoom. 10 times optical zoom and up to 100 times space zoom. Front camera: 12 megapixels. Camera highlights: extreme zoom capabilities at long distances, great detail in low light shots, and flexible camera options. The Times of India. Summary: iPhone 17 Pro Max
best for video quality, natural colors, and smooth stabilization. Galaxy S26 Ultra, best for zoom performance, AI camera features, and flexible sensor array. 3. Display and design. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Display, 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED. Refresh rate, 1 to 120 Hz ProMotion. Peak brightness, up to 3000 nits. Protection, Ceramic Shield 2, strong and scratch-resistant. iOS design is minimal, premium aluminum build, Apple. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Display, 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X. Refresh rate, up to 120 Hz. Peak brightness, up to 2600 to 3000 nits. Extra feature, privacy display, limits side viewing visibility. Build, sleek aluminum frame with Gorilla Armor 2, glass, the Times of India. Summary, both phones offer industry-leading displays with razor-sharp resolution and high brightness. Samsung adds a privacy-focused innovation. Apple offers more brightness and color accuracy. 4. Battery and charging. Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. Battery life, up to 39 hours video playback. Battery, approximately 5,088 mAh. Charging, fast wired, approximately 40 watts. MagSafe 2.0 wireless charging. Wireless Q2 charging support. Apple. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Battery, up to 5,000 mAh. Charging, wired up to 60 watts. Wireless charging support. Reverse charging on some variants. Phone Arena. Summary, iPhone 17 Pro Max generally lasts longer due to optimized power use. Galaxy S26 Ultra charges faster wired, which is better for quick top-ups. 5. Software and opening system. iPhone 17 series runs iOS 26, known for smooth, secure, and optimized app ecosystem, long software update support, integration with Apple services, iMessage, FaceTime, Apple. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra runs Android 16 with One UI 8.5. Features, highly customizable, strong Android ecosystem, AI features, and multitasking enhancements. The Guardian. Overall buying decision, direct points. Feature, iPhone 17 Pro Plus Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Performance, excellent smooth single core, strong multi-core and AI. Camera, best video and natural tones, best zoom and flexibility. Display, brighter and color accuracy, privacy display and rich colors. Battery life, longer, faster charging. Software, long updates and smooth, feature-rich and custom. Ecosystem, best Apple synergy, flexible Android world. 1. Chip and speed. iPhone 17 Pro Pro Max A19 Pro is optimized for smooth daily performance. Galaxy S26 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 excels in multitasking and AI. 2. Camera. Apple's triple 48MP setup is great for video editors and creators. Samsung's 200MP sensor and dual telephotos are perfect for zoom photography. 3. Display. Both 6.9-inch beasts. Brightness and accuracy lean slightly Apple. Viewing options and privacy lean Samsung. 4. Battery life. iPhone wins in endurance. Samsung wins charging speed. 5. Software. iOS 26 is smooth, secure, and Android customizable. Conclusion. Choose iPhone 17 Pro Max if you want best video photo experience, longer battery, and strong ecosystem stability. Choose Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra if you want flexibility, powerful AI features, incredible zoom cameras, and faster wired charging.